What is up, guys, and welcome back to today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to clean this car. It's really dirty. It's been really dirty. So what you're going to need is this power washer. You can use a regular hose if you have to, but I recommend using that because it's stronger and you have more power cleaning all the dust and everything that's on here. And a bucket to have water in it, and probably you will need a towel to dry and to wash. Plus it would be awesome if you use a clay kit and some wax. And the soap you're going to be using is done because you want to take off the first layer of coat, which is wax, so you can clean all off the debris. So let's get right into it. Soap. Stop. So for the first step you want to do is start not a touchless wash, so you're not going to touch the car at all. So what you want to do is just get your hose and start spraying the car and rinsing it. So let's go start on doing this. And so what you want to do is start from the top, go to the bottom. So let's start. Make sure you're a foot away from the car so you won't damage the car's paint. So all you're doing right now is just rinsing your car. Make sure you get your tires, but for today's video, I'm not going to show you how to clean your tires yet. Make sure you get under the bumpers and so you can get it all clean. Let's go right into the bumper, the hood. So then I'm just going to go around it, check if I got everything on this side, get everything. Make sure you get the mirror and the front bumper. And right now I'm working on the hood. You can see, and here we are. Front bumper. I need the hose.
Got it.
Like down here, right into the bumper. Oh. Is the water pipe not working?
Yeah.
We're cleaning the bumper now. Hi, Lucky.
Mike.
Hi, Lucky.
Mike.
And now let's go to the next step. So the next step we're going to do is just going to start washing. We're going to fill up this water, this basket, and then put Dawn's dish soap in it. You can put whatever, but I recommend Dawn. Let's get right into it.
Good enough, good enough, good enough.
And then now what you want to do is just add some dish soap. Got here my Dawn dish soap. You don't have to. I'm putting in this type because I don't have a bottle to put it in. So here we go. And make sure you make it soapy. So you have to mix it around with your in if you want to. You don't have to, but I recommend doing it because you can see the bubbles now. So yeah. Now make sure you have your towel ready and everything's ready. And you put it in here and you start washing the car. Make sure your car does not get dry. So make sure your car is wet. I'm not gonna show you how to do the tires or the wheels today. It's gonna be in the next video, so make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so let's go get the towel. So right here, as you can see, I have my towel. I'm gonna put it in, make sure you get it soaking wet and soapy. And if it's not soapy, try adding some Dawn on it, but I don't recommend doing that, so let's get right into the video. So right now, if I were you, I would start going from top to bottom. So I might help, my sister might help me because I'm short, and my sister might help me, but I'm gonna try doing it by myself. So let's get right onto the video. Y'all can't see this number, but whatever. So we're getting right into the car. I'm also going to show you how to clean it from the inside, but not today again. So let's get washing this car. So what I'm doing right now is washing the car.
Open the doors. Open the doors.
Let's find yourself.
I'm gonna let my sister help me out so much. Get rid of it.
And we're working on it right now, so sorry if the camera angle is bad because I'm higher right now. I can't read, so my sister's filming for me, so shout out to her. I'll make sure I post her, I put her Instagram down, and make sure you go follow her. And follow her YouTube channel too. Yeah. Let's go to the next part. So right now I'm gonna go on the other side so I can clean the other side of the hood. So let's get right into it.
You won't be able to open that door. You won't be able to open that door.
So this part, you're not going to be able to see me. No, that's not.
I told you. Dude, you're hitting the wall. Let me do it. I can reach it. I can reach it. I can reach it.
So I think I'm getting all the area, which I think I am. Am I? I did up here. That push work. I opened it. Right there. Right there. And that's good. That's so far. So what you want to do right now is split your car in half. I'm going to be working on this side first. And yeah. And for my next video, I'm going to show you how to also clean your windshield, which is going to be really soon. I might post this tomorrow, or I'm not sure yet. Maybe on the same day. But what I like to do is split the car in half. You can see there's a metal thing right there. So what I'm going to do is make sure you do not go in circles. That's something I forgot to tell you all. Make sure you do not go in circles because you can cause scratches. So I'm working on the car, splitting this car in half so it can be easier for me. And when I'm done, I'm going to make sure that the car is wet so it can be easier. Make sure you get under here because this is mostly the dirtiest area. And that's important to get your mirror done and your fender. And let's go to the trunk. Next what we're going to do right now is going to the trunk, which is right there, which is really, really dirty. Okay, make sure you do not go in circles. It looks like I'm going in circles, but I'm not trying to. And a survey area. Make sure it's all in one direction. Okay, and then I'm gonna go like this, like that. Okay, and let's go. Make sure you get these headlights. Oh, sorry, not headlights. The lights in the back. Make sure you get this. Make sure you clean everything on your car so it'll be shiny and clean. As you can tell, there's black stuff coming off, which means this car is actually getting clean, as it has been clean, but it's really dirty. So we're gonna do that today. Looks really, really good. Make sure you do not drop your towel. If you drop your towel, make sure you go get a different one, so it won't scratch your car. Yeah, I'm doing the bottom half right now because I don't want to come back to this area. And we're gonna keep on doing this. And if you have to, you can put more soap, which I'm gonna do that because it's kind of getting dirty right now. And there you go. It's getting cleaner, as you can tell, and soapier. And I'm gonna go do this bottom part right now because it's kind of right here. So I'm working on it. I'm trying my best. And also in the future, I'm gonna be showing you how to clear scratches and that area stuff, because I know there's a lot of scratches on people's cars and everything. I'm gonna be showing you good ways to clean your windshields. And yeah, make sure you all stay tuned and watch all my videos. And please subscribe to my channel. And make sure you press the notification bell so you can be notified for all the videos that I post. As you can see, I'm just making the process double, just like the other side.
Tell them. I'll see you when I finish the washing. It's going to take a while.
And I'm going to come back right when I finish finishing this car area so we can start the new stuff. See you in a little bit. Bye. Right now, I just finished soaping the car, so right now I'm about to rinse the car. As you can see, all the dirt's coming off the car. And make sure you go from top to bottom, so the car, because that's how gravity works. The dirt in the end's gonna go on the bottom. As you can see, I've messed it somehow. But we'll be fixing that in the next video. Sorry, not the next video. In the future. And I'm cleaning the windshield a different way because I don't want to scratch the cars with all the dirt and debris. So I might vlog how I'm doing it, but not yet. So let's and make sure it's shiny.
match for you. Don't scream, just hurry. Say you might hear. Hurry up.
So let's go next. Let's go to the next spot. Actually, let's do the jumper right now because it's right here. So, yep.
Is the door open?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the door open. Not the Lincoln door, the house door.
Yeah.
Say I'll get back to you when I'm done.
And as soon as I'm done, I'll make sure I'll pick up the vlog. So, see you in a little bit. Next up, I already finished washing, rinsing the car off the soap, cleaning the soap off the car. So next thing we have to do is use this. We have this spray bottle, but I don't recommend using it because what you're trying to do is you're trying to get all the grease and oil stuff, and that has some oil, but you can still use this clay bar. All you're gonna have to do is make sure your car is wet still, and get some soapy water, and then throw it on there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some of this. What I might do actually is open this clay bar, if I can hold it. Open this clay bar and start working on it and dumping it on this.
Got it.
And my sister's gonna do it for me. Shout out to my sister because she's really helpful. And right now we just got the clay bar open. For one sec. And yeah. It feels weird. Make sure you keep it stretching like this.
You did not to do
Okay,
that.
yes you do. Okay, and make sure it's wet before you put it on the car. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some soapy water, which is like that, and let's go and start it. So right now, what you want to do right here, you're gonna fold it down, and then start moving it. You're gonna find if it's hard to move, that's fine. Just make sure it's smooth. Okay, and so this might take a while. Make sure you're still going in forward motions like this. So you're gonna find some rough areas, but it's still fine. So you're gonna see the clay bar getting dirty. I'll make sure I'll link this in the description below. I'll make sure it's dirty and it's gonna be looking clean. I'm gonna show the end results, and I'll catch you guys when it's done.
See ya.
Okay, guys, I just finished waxing. I buffed off the wax and everything's done. And this is the final product. And I'm so tired today that I'm not going to do anything else today. So make sure y'all subscribe, turn on the bell notification. And if y'all want to see something about cars, make sure you put it down in the comment below. And see y'all next time. Peace.